Hey folks, this is Adria. Well, yowza! I put this post up a couple hours ago, and as you can see, there's already 190 retweets. I've had nearly 2,500 visits to the site, and it's just kind of insane. Well, anyway, thanks for the support, and obviously, folks are upset that QuickPawn.com is making money off of stuff that they didn't develop or create. Meanwhile, the actual developers don't accept donations. What I may be talking about today is Ma Fuboof said, "Hey, it looks like maybe they're also using Microsoft MSN for advertising placement." And I said, "Well, that's interesting. Let me take a look." Right, because I had seen things that led me to believe, well, it's just Google. So how would we figure that out? Well, first thing we want to do is pull up QuickPawn's website, and then we're going to go ahead and view the source code. So you usually can right click on a blank area and then choose view source, and it's going to come up in my text editor, which is EditPad Pro, which is awesome. And then in this case, let's make sure that Google ads are being used. So down here I'll type in search, I'll type Google and then hit find first. And here we go, script, Google ad client, and see it has width and height. So we're pretty sure here, and it has an ad client number, so pretty sure they're using Google ads. Now let's do the same thing for MSN. And then we'll hit find first. And yep, ad syndication, MSN, yada yada. So I wanted to figure out, well, how does Microsoft feel about this? Well, first thing I did was go to Google, and then I typed in MSN advertising, and eventually that got me to Microsoft advertising, advertising.microsoft.com, which brought me to a site that looked like this. And they're like, oh, Bing is so cool. And then it seems that instead of having the search bar on the right, which is where it's been for usability, and let's move it to the left because that's what Bing is about. Anyway, reading through this site, they're making it seem like it's so awesome, and it's so great to advertise. What's one of the things they were showing? Oh, find your audience. I thought this was pretty funny. In find your audience, you basically can see these different advertising markets. So if we do gender, we do male, tech and gadgets, so 74%, right? And then they have all these other ones, blah blah blah. So anyway, but most of this is for people who want to spend money on advertising. So the whole site pretty much is about, go with us, we're great, contact sales, blah blah blah, right? But eventually I did find their FAQ. I had to dig a little bit. So that is, and there's no phone number on the contact sales, so they want you to submit a form. But over here on the frequently asked questions under advertise, search advertising, then under monitoring your campaign, I found invalid clicks. And I was like, ah, so let's head over there. So about invalid clicks. Microsoft recognizes that invalid clicks can be a serious issue for pay-per-click advertisers. As a result, Microsoft AdSense categorizes clicks as standard quality clicks and low quality clicks. Low quality clicks include invalid clicks as well as other clicks that you're not billed for. And then to help identify invalid clicks, AdSense uses tools. And so I don't know who's using these tools, if they're saying people who pay for the advertising need to, or that they do. Not sure, but here we go. Report questionable clicks to Ad Center. And I'll be posting all these links in a new blog post here. So if you're concerned, you need to name the effective campaign, ad group, and ad group number, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, or it said you can just get back to us on the Get More Help page. So I'll also be listing this too. And on the Get Help page, there's a phone number. You can email them. And what's it? Easy Assist. Anyway, so folks, I hope that you'll be contacting Microsoft, their advertising center, and saying, hey, you know what? We think that you're allowing people to pay you for advertising placement because they're promising all types of, oh, very professional. And look what just came up. It looks like they have live chat. We may have to take advantage of this later, folks. Anyway, here we go. Get maximum reach on quality sites, and learn more. So I think if people really knew that they were not on quality sites, but more, let's see, let's scroll down here. All the benefits, so great. But if instead they were on sites that look like this, with stuff all squished together and no content, these veterans.org, I don't know. I think I'd be upset. I saw, Big Brothers Big Sisters on here. Yeah. So with that, thanks, folks. Thanks for the support, and I'll get this out.